Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to turn off end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Before we dive in, be sure to check out the latest deals right below this video. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Messenger app on your device. Once you're in, if a conversation has end-to-end encryption enabled, you'll notice a lock icon next to that chat. Now, if you want to remove this feature, there are two ways you can do it. The first method is to tap the three horizontal lines at the top left of your screen. From there, go to Settings and click on the gear icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Secret Conversations option. Simply tap it and turn off the Secret Conversation feature, which disables the end-to-end encryption in Messenger. However, this option may not be available on all devices, so if you can't find it, don't worry, we have another way. The second method is to go back to the main chat screen. Find the chat you want to disable the encryption for, and press and hold it. From there, select Delete to remove the chat. You can then start a new conversation without encryption enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check the description for a link to subscribe. See you in the next video.